Very easy to assemble. It's like the perfect little desk. I like that the shelves on top aren't stuck in one place. This shelf here can be put on either side. I put it on the outside to give myself more leg room. 2 hooks on the side. It works. Even the drawers, they're not just cardboard drawers. They have a little bit of texture. This one even has something for files. If you have a file cabinet you need to use. So for the price, it's great. I'm waiting for my chair to be delivered, so this is what I have in place.
I absolutely love it. I bought it from Amazon. It was $110, and I have it right next to my bed. And this is my closet, and I can literally like use it, and it's just so awesome. So I have the scanner here, printer, copy of fax, all that good stuff. I have my 2 monitors, and I have my headset, my laptop. Literally, like, it has like enough space for you to put everything in. It took like 2 hours to put it together, but it's really easy to put together. I would definitely recommend it. When I bought it, it was $110, and I just love it. Like, I absolutely love it. You see the little things here, and I'm a single mom of 3, and I was able to put it together. So assembling this desk was a 10 out of 10. The instructions were very, very detailed. They're labeled, numbered. There is a piece that go on this side where the like my printer can sit, but obviously I didn't have enough room, so I could not attach the other part at the bottom. But overall, this was definitely easy to assemble, and I will highly.
So this is the desk, and it comes with 2 standing things for your monitor. Comes with these fabric drawers. Small area, so it's really just your laptop, and comes with these plugs, something right here. Took about an hour and a half to